Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video is going to focus on AT&T stock. It was one of the stock that we have covered in our recent video, and as this was the biggest one in terms of revenue, we thought let's have a look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them, we got to admit this is a pretty interesting company with lots of interesting plans for the future. They want to grow their business significantly in the different ways they want to achieve this. So we can easily see that the stock was trading a 24.80 US dollar with 0.38 US dollar losses with 1.51% negative loss. In 5 days time frame, the stock was trading at 0.57 US dollar losses with 2.25% negative loss. In 1 month time frame, the stock was trading at 2.55 US dollar losses with 9.32% negative loss. So thank you for watching this video.